An important concept in the autonomic nervous system is the idea of dual innervation. One shouldn't think of, say, the heart as being a sympathetic organ or the stomach as being a parasympathetic organ. Instead, most organs of the body receive input from both the sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions. So sympathetic input can tell the heart to increase its heart rate and its contractibility, while parasympathetic input can tell the heart to decrease its heart rate and contractibility. So there are nerves from both the sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions which reach the heart. And the same is true of the lungs, where the sympathetic division can cause bronchodilation, and the parasympathetic division can cause bronchoconstriction. And the same is true of other organ systems as well. And so both the sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions innervate most organs. This is what is known as dual innervation. There are exceptions. So, for example, the eccrine sweat glands, which release a watery sweat to cool down, seem only to have sympathetic innervation, not parasympathetic innervation. Although there are a number of areas of the brain and spinal cord which have a role in regulating the autonomic nervous system, it is the brainstem which directs much of the autonomic activity, whether this be through the reticular formation, including nuclei in the medulla, which govern, say, heart rate and blood pressure, and breathing, and nuclei in the midbrain, which govern the constriction of the pupil. But to a large degree, it is the hypothalamus which then integrates and directs the activity of the brainstem. And so while many regions of the brain are involved, the hypothalamus has an important role in regulating the autonomic nervous system.